how to convert Figma designs into Framer website. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to convert a design that we made in Figma, as you can see here, into our Framer website. So first things first, let's create an empty project over here in Framer. And while this is loading, let's go over here in Figma and let's go to actions. Simply select plugins and widgets over here and simply search for Framer. If you do this, you will see that we have Figma to HTML with Framer over here. Simply select this specific app. And as you can see, it's going to say, select the layer you want to copy. So I'm going to select this. And we're going to do it again. I forgot that we have to select it first. So let's do it again. So basically what it's going to do, as you can see, it's going to copy the layers that we have over here in our Figma frame over here. And it will allow us to copy it into our Framer. As you can see, simply click on copy to clipboard, go to Framer, and simply paste it by doing Control V. And there we go. We now have our Figma design inside of our Framer website. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.